嘛出肥嘅，我有講下隻死我個，個，你講咩？They show you when to do it.
Well, that's the ribbon there already. Unless you want to take the rib out, but that takes away.
Adam's only the one that only got patience to grill. I seen him grill a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
That would burn shit.
Yeah.
Hey, look what you pay.
但是呢，被打到来讲该对通过老呢，老么多
This is for all the losers.
做 loser 所以这闹 steak 干嘛呢？所以多人就闹 chicken ass 呢 duck ass 呢 ，OK， 怎么样做 loser 呢？这是我们前边选的就我都试试啊，来呢，ribeye 呢 ，OK， 好，只要多人就闹 duck ass 呢 ，OK。你 prefer 呢就要到low，นู้นไปให้แต่ดูเว้นเนอร์นอชินเลยจะสำนอแอสเนี่ยพี่อ่ะแล้วมันจะกันหายเนอแต่จะจะเว้นเนอร์จะรู้สึกนอชินเลยจะเล่นแต่นอเรปายไม่ใช่เดี๋ยวชาโร่จะท่องเรปายล่อตัวเหอะเนี่ยไปใช้อ๋อใช่มันใช้น่ะถ้าหล่อเหมือนกันนะตัวเหมือนกันนะโอเคอีกท่องตัวเหมือนกันนะแล้วสิเขาติ๊กได้เลยแม่เลิกกันเลยนี่จะคอทุ่งล่อตัวตัวมันเนอร์นะโอเคตัวมันเนอร์ตัวมันเนอร์ตัวมันเนอร์ตัวก็ตัวไทยก็ได้โอเคตัวล่อนะใช่ตัวน้อยตัวมันเนอร์นะใช่โอเคมันเนอร์นะมันเนอร์ตัวนะโอเคโอ้ยล่อตัวกูตัวใจก็นอตาเนี่ยก็การมันล้านซัวอ๋อนูนอเป็นนูนอเป็นนูเป็นคนหลือแบบเดียวโอเคแต่ฉันเอ้ตาต่อชงยังไงเรียบไปเนาะจนก็อยู่เนาะตัวสร้างญี่ปุ่นเตะตัวละโอเคจะตัวจะคงบีบีฟเนี่ยจะนอนแล้วหัวเตียนจอร์แดนบีฟเนาะโอเคต่อไปนะใช่ไหมก็แล้วไหนแม่ไอ้ตัวนั้นจะยอดจอนี่ยอดจอมีตัวมียอดเฉยใช่ไหมโอเคจะล่อยอดจอเราให้แต่แชมเปี้ยนชิพนะให้จะรู้สึกนะโอเค
I think that we bought this many.
It's like a 4-inch steak. I wish I would have more stuff.
Every play got thick one.
Everybody gets their own steak. Yeah. Plus we got guests too, so that might be enough, dude.
That's a 2-inch.
But just don't participate. They started my little German for
14, 12.
So just double team,
10 teams, and then
We should turn the dad off first.
Sounds about right.
Jay and Adam, Muchi and Jay, and Tofu and Frank, or no,
Johnson.
Oh yeah.
แต่ฉันเราใส่จอใกล้ลำตัวจอวันไหนให้รู้สึกยังไงจ้ะ
That will never cook in time.
Pretty much well.
That depends on how many people coming. But you take one whole steak home, plus you get to eat one right now.
Right now เราตัดต่อ seasoning นะโอเคเข้าใจ Black pepper นะ
That's good. Frank got you. No, Frank got you 50 cents. Oh, does he? Yeah. Okay. He paid you 50 cents. Did he? No, because he gave me 16. Oh, okay. He's good then. Oh, so then, you go online. AJ?
Yeah.
$10.
Yeah. Alright, 1 second. Black pepper, garlic pepper. That's what they put in there right now, my brother.
You want to keep full one?
Yeah, just hold on for a bit.
Help your dad.
$10.
Yeah, hold on. Here. Wallet.
Look at that.
Oh no.
Wait,
Dad, oh my God.
communicate.
$26.50.
That's for you?
Damn.
No.
That's not me. I'm only at $4.50.
Ah, black pepper. Ah,
Yeah.
You can throw some sage in there.
black pepper. Ah.
Hey, Chang, I think it's $10 back. Okay. Easy, that's all. I'm good to go.
Tụi nó Irish chef đó. Irish chef món của Irish chef. So nó steak xong rồi đó.
The hog's right
Đây
here.
là bên nó đó.
Hog's right here. This is okay. Adam J.
All the way.
Tỏ xin nó đó, tung cây ta tỏ một xí trông đó cho xí gì.
450. Adam.
Huh?
450.
450?
Yeah, that's it. 450.
Tỏ đó, để phí tự nhiên đó, tự nhiên tụi cái tụi kỳ sắp lại ơi. 450 đó.
I got nothing.
I donate 50 cents.
No. Okay. You owe, I owe you 50 cents.
No.
Damn, look at that.
How much is it?
Wow.
450. 450?
Ooh.
I got no 10. You went pretty far. 450.
The thing is that I kind of gave up at the beginning because we lost like
This is how we celebrate Super Bowl now, with the ribeye.
You guys came back. Yeah. Yeah.
You guys are hot, yeah.
Yeah.
You guys got lucky. You guys were in the lower bracket.
I know, right?
I can't believe I lost it with go pretty much undefeated and lose in the freaking first
Yeah,
round.
you were fired, man.
But even if I would have won final, man, I wouldn't have scored what they scored in the Super Bowl, man. That's Super Bowl.
Yeah.
That was like,
That was
yeah,
a
your
high
team
scoring
and
final.
Mitch's team, man.
Okay.
That was like every player had like the game of their lives. On that game.
Jesse paid, right, Jesse?
Yeah, just pour it out.
Olive oil đó. Riết thì cho olive oil nó mà để tua nó còn cho xí gì chóp bóng tờ nữa, đúng cái đó. Còn cho olive oil nó để tua nó ngay. Tua, yeah.
You guys are all like
Olive
blown up
oil
and
is
going
so
to
the
the back of
seasoning
the
down to the meat type, so the seasoning will not
That's like
fall off when
2
they
minutes
grill
of the
this
game.
thing on the grill.
Hey, man.
Hey, Adam.
Yeah.
I can smell it.
You got it? Do you have it on you or no?
What? Oh,
450.
yeah, I do. Yeah.
Man, $450, that's a lot. You old.
It looks so good. I can eat it raw.
Yeah, whatever oil like just spread.
Hey, Super Bowl.
That's the puppy bowl?
The puppy one.
These are on Fox or CBS?
11 beans.
This is how we marinate steak, man. Bên mua cho là một plain đó ngay nó có cho nó một tua cho seasoning down và cho seasoning cho bông thì sẽ bỏ lò. Thì còn nó tả đó tụi nó mà nó plain kia mà muốn massage còn còn nó tả chỉ cá chuli Michael Jordan beef nó mà Kobe beef đó, ok chưa Michael Jordan beef đó Kobe đó, ok. Page chỉ nó Kobe beef, bên nó bên Michael Jordan beef đó. Yeah.
That's my way.
Final ingredient.
Be like guess or
Oh, no. Ty, you can tie him in the face. So.
Yeah.
Có thể đó. No.
Cứ có lên là chứ
Có thể đâu ý mà. No.
cũng mà thể ưa mình có trâu để cũng mà.
Go to no. Oh.
Cũng mà muốn như
That's why I took my jacket off.
Is he came by yourself? I thought you were.
Cũng có nên gọi có mất trâu được thôi.
You worked there too?
Nhưng mà chọn
Yeah,
ngay ha.
I thought you guys were gonna leave already, so I'll just drive on. So.
With an unfair sexual treatment. I mean, it's why we're the nation. 40 years in.
Nó cho nó tài màเลยcho hùa ai ta lì cho thế nữa là biết chỉ khi có sĩ cái tên chẳng này bao rồi gì cái hùa ai ta lì cho thôi cho bỏ lúc mà ít thái gì
I'm just rubbing it in.
Ai ta lì cho đó
Ya chắc là ya tỉa đó.
It's hard. WNEF. I use that a lot. You can count on. Wake up with meteorologist Chris Easley.
cho nó hiểu rõ ai ta lì cho nó.
That should be it. Yeah. So a little bit more garlic salt on it.
He said more garlic salt. He said not enough garlic salt, put more garlic in there.
The steaks are really thick. So
We know that. Do you expect them to win at the Super Bowl this year?
Well, they have a very special owner and coach, and certainly they have, I guess, the greatest quarterback of all time. So I would say they would win.
So what we're gonna do? We're gonna let this marinate at least about 3 hours before we cook him. Okay? So be patient. 3 hours. So be patient. We'll come back when we. Thật sự nè, tại sao nó mới từ anh sẽ tua tới chờ boss tua để cho the Patriots này thì Patriots có gì nhiều chữ to final seasoning đâu thì nên gì còn gì đâu nữa rồi chụp bao nhiêu rồi có sĩ tử để cho mình cho ná là hồ blood worm, that's what they call it. The blood worm will add the crunchiness to the meat. Every bite will be a little bit bitter, and then just like replace the wine. You don't need to drink wine to have it.
Lighter, somebody, lighter. Lighter. Yeah.
As you can see, the blood worms inside the meat now. And he about to stir that. I don't know what he's trying to do. Got his glove on. Not sure what he's gonna do next.
Yeah.
Okay.
Spring roll's popping.
Maybe this guy Vincent is a good friend. Listen, Jack. You all know how much you meant to Johnny when you met you.
Yeah.
Oh.
I had it before. That's a lot of penis for you. Yeah. Cow penises.
I only do what's asked of me, Mr. Zombie.
All right. Right now, the chef is ready to put the meat on the grill.
Come putty. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
And this one's mine.
See how thick that is.
It would be at my house, right?
Hi, Don.
Something like that.
Hey, someone up for sick. I'll do space on the wall.
Don, see you again, sir. See you.
Yeah, because I thought we just do another one. This one like the other. Or you want put it
It's on the grill. Swimming on the grill. Big ass steak swimming on the grill.
Flip it over. Take whatever seasoning they have in here, and then you put it on top. That way it stays moist.
Next, you know, to Iron Chef right there. After cook grill shine, it lasts about 15 minutes. Then what you're gonna do? You're gonna flip it to the other side, and then put more sauce onto the other side, so it will stay moist. So the ingredient will soak in from the top to bottom, and the heat come from the bottom to the top, and that's how you make the juice inside the middle.
You guys want to wait till we fill up the second sheet? But you got to eat it or pick the numbers?
Just have somebody witness it.
See the steak?
So let's check nó nữa, cho cái tiếp theo dài. Cho mẹ thằng hầm hông số lên số tu để nó bé ta tổ chi chẳng gai ở các sập lời lưu hồ tiền gai nhu. Thế, cho nhu nó chỉ nhu non nhỏ thôi nè. Thế sao nó chẳng nhu gai non nhỏ thôi nè. Cho nhu là cho chua rồi mà bé bao giờ giờ cho khi mình giá trị thì cho nhu nó có bỏ. No, cho nên một sát tụi nó chỉ cho sát của ta tổ pin phía nữa. Ok. Cú sát thì có khúc sát tụi nó đó, chỉ thổi lên xía thì có cho là smoke nó sát tụi nó, đó, có bỏ nó. Thì do lúc chỉ do cái ngọn đó, sát tụi nó đó, sát tụi nó sát khúc đó, nếu khúc sát tụi nó thổi xía là thì có cho là thế. Sát tụi nó do propane gas đó, ok, là cho propane đó. Thì đó sẽ là cho nó cho sát tụi nó đó, sát tụi nó mà đi xía cho smoke, ok. Ok, thổi xía là cho sát tụi nó đó, ok. Alright. Thì bây giờ nè, cho nên là sai nó sẽ ép về thổi lấy khi tàu rồi nó là mà cho nên một thổi lấy lại kia là ngay lại mà có được bao để con cho xin lời nữa, ok. And now it's ready to cook, ready to eat.
That was a fair taste.